Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to learn about what is Osquery and why it is very important in the security. So first of all, what is Osquery? Osquery is an open source endpoint visibility tool. This is used to query system data using SQL query. This is works on Linux machine, Windows machine, and even the Mac OS. This is treating this OS component like a database table, which is very lightweight and very easy to deploy. In our upcoming video, we are going to see how to deploy OS query on this machine. This is even very great for investigation purpose and even for the monitoring. Why it is very important, why OS query matters for a security analyst. So this is actually used to hunt threat with the real-time queries. This is even used to check any kind of running processes, monitor all these processes, any cron jobs, auto runs are scheduled or not. This kind of information we can get it in the with the help of OS query. We can even investigate user logins and the sessions as well. We can monitor active ports and connections. What kind of outbound connection your machine is currently making with an outer world? What are the active ports which are open on my machine? Is it really needed? All these ports are needed or not? So this is even to ensure the compliance and policies. So from the OS query, we can collect the data from all the endpoints. Okay. Let me give you an example of a SQL. If you know how to write SQL, you can investigate endpoint. Okay. This is the sample query in which listening port table provide the information about processes that are currently listening on a network port. Network port we are using right now as a port number 22. In this query, what is select? Select this tells OS query to return all available columns from the table. From listening port, it actually you are querying the listening port table which shows all the port that are processing are currently listening on. And where the port number 22, this filter the result only show the process listening on port 22. This is the output which it will look like, where PID is nothing but the process ID, port is the number being listened on. So this is used for the SSH. Protocol is your TCP, and the family IP family. The two is actually for IPv4. Address, this is the local address bound to the listening port, and the FD is actually file descriptor of that socket, and the socket is kernel socket that handle this. Next video we are going to install OS query on Linux and Windows machine. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.